Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can view the Hytale Debug console. Let's get right into it. So the first step is, you're going to want to press F7 on your keyboard. If that doesn't work, you may need to press the function key and F7 at the same time. And you'll be presented with a few debug values. Press the F7 key again, and you're going to see the full debug menu. You can see system details, rendering details, details about the world, your frame rate, memory usage, network details, and audio details. If you want to close the menu, you can press the F7 key on your keyboard again. And that's it for how to view the debug menu in Hytale. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.